Roof inspection on Running Water Trail. All right, so we found out that this type of hail was what we call the most destructive kind of hail because it was clear. A very dangerous hail. Well, dangerous to roofs because when the hail is clear, it will hit a shingle. Now this is a stronger of the two shingles that they use to build the homes over in this area. But this type of hail actually put a hole or holes all the way through the shingles. And you can see right here where the hail went all the way through the shingle and quite a few areas. It's over the whole roof. So we call this diamond hail. And the diamond hail is it's really hard and sharp, and you can see like right here where the hailstones impacted, it went all the way through the shingle. So it was bad enough to do this type of damage. What happens is when you have this kind of damage, you'll get what's called water seepage. It'll be a slow process where water seeps into the roof and then it forms mold eventually, because the water seepage will build moisture pockets, and then the moisture pockets, then they're going to turn to mold over time. Normally, if you have just wind damage on the roof, like say this roof has about 8,000 shingles, there's one damaged right here, but they say, just repair the roof, the shingles that are missing. But in this case, there's so much hail damage on this roof, the whole roof's going to need to be replaced because it's got holes cut all the way through the shingles. Yeah, and it's all over. So yeah, there's a real good example where, you could just see it's all the way through. Okay, so you'll need to contact the insurance company and let me know when the insurance adjuster is coming out, and we'll get this taken care of. I'm going to go back with a new roof on this one. Use a Timberline shingle, which has a lifetime warranty and stands up to hail like this, and high wind as well.